Yo, oh my god, my face, it's so ugly. But anyway, here's an up. I'm gonna have to rock this with no glasses or no glasses. I actually bent them really badly. Can you see that? You can see that, right? I don't know if you can see that, but it's really badly bent in my eye. Basically, update on the car thing. So basically, I took out the MAF sensor, as you guys, I don't know if I even put it up a video, but in here you can see there's nothing. Like, let me see if I can. No, nothing. But basically, there's nothing in there, and that sensor is supposed to have like a wire or something in here. There, I'm not sure if you can see it in. Yeah, you can see it in this one, right? Like the little stuff inside that one. I replaced it. I might put it back in the car, but before that, we're gonna need a new MAF sensor wire. Okay, I bought one, but this is the wrong one. It will not fit in my car. I will show you why, or later. 1 minute. Actually, I lied. I don't even have to go show you. Okay, 1 minute. Let's see if I can adjust this. And this is the old MAF sensor. As you can see, it's 5 connectors. Here's 5 connectors. And look at this. Okay. So it's supposed to go in like this inside the car, the wiring. Like that, right? But look. And it's supposed to snap or click in. It's not even... Look. It's on, right? It's on there. But look at this. It's not supposed to do that. You're supposed to like press this to loosen it. Look, okay. Let's see. I'm having trouble. I'm over here. Basically, yeah, got that replaced. You needed special screws for it. So I got this little thing and this. So as you can see, there's like little holes in them, so it can like. Let's show you the screws. So it's tamper resistant. You see it right there, little dot in between, and that basically prevents it from slipping through or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff on here because dust is not supposed to penetrate this, and if there's dust on there, we're gonna have problems. Alright, it's nice and tucked in there so no dust can get inside. I tried my best, as you can see. So let's put this back in here. So I ordered a new MAF sensor wiring thing. Hopefully we can fix that, and also have some stuff in the back. Stuff back here, which is air filter for cabin, engine, so it can breathe properly. Got some tools in here. Spark plugs. Also need to replace that. We got some coolant right here, and then some old oil. Okay, look at this. Oof, it's so oily in here. Ew. Basically, yeah, that's what's in here to fix the car. Well, hopefully try and fix it. If that fails, then goodbye car, or I'll work on it another time. Alright, time to put in that MAF sensor. It's super hot outside, so I wish I had a garage or something, but I don't want to use a crutch to hold it up because this thing, where the strut normally goes, is broken. Alright, pretty simple install. This is the old one. I'm pretty sure I showed you guys already. This card they gave. Thanks. Oof. And then the tools, probably in the back. I'll get them. Alright, got the filters and the tools are in here. Alright, let's see what we can do here. That will even stay right there. wish I had like a pop socket. This is useful. Alright. I'm not sure if I can turn that around. Like this. It doesn't look like you can. No! How would this, okay, to look like that? Nope. No help. No dice. Yeah, no dice. Alright. We got this nice thing right here. Let's see if we can take this out with one hand. It's hard. Alright, this is the air filter. And that's where it goes. Like right here. Alright, I came to vacuum this part right here, this insulation. This thing is so bad. Look at this, look at this. Look at this. Yo, it just melts in your hand. Look how bad that is. It's pretty much dirt and dust. So we're gonna vacuum that out. If we can. Alright, welcome back to another... You hear that? That's the radio. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Alright, so basically guys, another car update we got for you. Basically, I changed both air filters. I changed the MAF sensor. That, I don't know. I don't know what that did. But basically, there was no wire. I already showed you. It's probably in another video. Probably forgot to upload. You might see it years later. I'm kidding. But, ew. I'm kidding. Yeah. Basically, I got some friends to help me change, what was it? I forget. It was... We changed the spark plugs. And those things were disgusting. I wish I vlogged it or videotaped it so you guys could see. It was a pretty funny day. Pretty fun day, by the way. I really regret not, you know, sharing that experience with you guys. But it's whatever. Yeah, you got other times. Like, the next update, changing the coolant, probably the radiator, the fan. I don't know. Basically, the fan's not spinning. We got to replace that, or I don't know. There's probably some wiring. You probably don't even need to do all of that. Oil definitely needs to be changed. That thing is tar black. All right, that's not good. Well, for the engine, all right. So yeah, we got to change that and the filter. So that's next up on the list. Also, the if radiator wiring. What is this person doing? Weird. But yeah, that's next up on the list. My hair is a mess. Don't mind me. This is a big thing that's coming to the car, man. I'm fixing it all. You know, not all by myself, but with a few friends. You know, this is cool experience. You know what I mean? You don't have to pay like $400 for, I don't know, all of this together. The parts and the like, I don't have to pay for labor, their time, whatever. And the initial starting price, all I have to do is buy the stuff myself, use the tools. I actually bought this at Walmart for like $16. I don't know. But yeah, it's not hard. You just watch some YouTube videos like how you're watching this one right now, if you even got this far. You want to drop a like for me? You want to drop? Thank you. I appreciate you dropping a like. I know you dropped a like. If you didn't, that's cool. That's cool. At least you're watching it, right? You're watching the video. That helps. If you can focus on me, camera. Thank you. That's it, guys. For, I don't know, today. Probably a short video. 3 minutes on the clock right now. Thank you, guys. Remember to keep it real.